Hey, what's up, everybody? If you are interested in redoing your shower, tiling, and providing your own little insert, as you can see here, hopefully this video can help you out. I'm not going to actually go through all the process with you in this video, but I am going to show you the anatomy of what it looks like on the other side of this stuff. Now, this is the finished product. It's a pretty decent job. I didn't do it myself, but we're going to get a look at the other side, because one of the big challenges you're going to have is doing this yourself is what should the other side maybe look like. Now, the other side of this is completely accessible. I understand that your setup might not be, but the design is pretty simple. You're going to have an insert that you can buy. I'll put a link in the description below for a couple of different options for shower base inserts if you're interested. But we basically have not drywall, but specific sheetrock that's specifically for moisture and bathroom settings right here. So you basically have to frame that up. You can see the 2x4s in the picture. Frame that up, creating a parallel plane surface, and then you'll attach the drywall equivalent to that. Now, if you want a little insert, you can actually use 2x4s to build yourself a little shelf inside. So just to give you an idea of the framing and kind of how this looks. Now, this is the plumbing and the piping. I definitely recommend you hire somebody if you're not comfortable with this, but pretty simple concept. You need copper pipes to bring your hot water and your cold water in, and then you will be installing your little lever on the other side of that once your tiling job is all or close to being done. Obviously, the middle pipe there going up to the shower head. Okay, so the purpose of this video, just to show you the anatomy of kind of what behind the walls might look like, so that if you're thinking about undertaking this job yourself, you have kind of a frame of reference. You have your 2x4 framing, your posts, and then of course your equivalent to a sheetrock for moisture and bathroom settings on the other side. Then you can go ahead and tile it and line everything up. Now, you might want to consider a moisture barrier on the other side, but in this particular case, we didn't need one. Definitely Google moisture barrier. It's not recommended for all bathroom applications, depending on what your exterior wall might be. But anyway, hopefully this video helps you out in understanding how that other side of the wall looks like when you undergo this job. For more do-it-yourself projects and real home product reviews, be sure to subscribe. Thanks.